megiri se ho ye ka se a me ho ye te bia mo ho ye hwe obi o fi ho nanim na kan se enne so ye hia e wo Adom TV eye Nkuranhyɛ dwumadie we bia wo bia me ma akwa ba e bia na wo nkokɔ wo nyafoman wo nwe so wo noyem ana empo wo akuase ena akumase ena wo amanone ana nkra ha bia wo bia no me ma akwa ba e de ba dwumadie we so me chia so so ho brasie mu woni medin dada me edin a wo bo a magi so pa ye Apostle Dr. Nita Kutego medase obo mu di amete na wo so e fro sen mate wo so e fro wo ba ya mate and now they saying abanaba mate. You see, every day you write a new story with your life. What story are you writing about your life? Ebanu awadiemu, ebanu sikasem, ebanu wajumem, ebanu apomudimu, ebanu adisuemu abrabomu. You write a story and live into yesterday. Enuna eye storybook awatwere. Watcha eye fufura abetwero na ene de watwero bi. You are the owner of your life. Nyahunu say you own your marriage, you own your health, you own your brain, and you own your education. Wabrabo enkrobi. How do you want people to look at you today, tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year? Kwan ben so na apesa amanfo ehu wo na edin ben na apesa de to so. Na no me fa book bi ya tworo akire abnormal psychology. Akire me ne book num. Enti man kan maths and man kan political science. Me kan bibi on psychology. You are a book cover. When I'm a book cover, whatever is in you will be read by others. When I'm usubai wano kasa ebe chire nkrofo de o book mu. Se wa brabo eye book a touch be na apese de to so. So aware eye book a touch be na de beto so. So apomudni eye book a touch be na de beto so. Obi wa say apomudni me hypertensive. Me diabetic. Now I turn up apomudni edin na or follow the trending of diabetes and hypertension. You are not hypertensive. You just suffer a high blood pressure. You are not a diabetic. You just suffered an increase in blood sugar. That doesn't define you. You are human. Obo was my warrior there, Netate ya kon. My warrior there, Netate ya tete pansamo. Warrior, warrior, member fear my warrior. No. Your marriage is not kon. And your marriage is not tete pansam. Eyewo, woni ye eno kasa, eno hokani, moni ye no kasa, eno ye kon na tete pansam. If you are able to change the way you talk to each other, if you're able to change how you relate with each other, you change the story of your marriage. If you're able to change the way you act towards yourself, so one come out and quite before or your day no yamu, now my niji dware brabo wa pomu dni be koyi. Positive mindset increases your health. So to me you are home, you are home. If you take good rest and relaxation, if you eat a well-balanced diet, if you sleep adequately, and if you connect to people very well, you increase your health. Your health is in your hands. Therefore, do what is right to improve upon your health. What way? Won't to wapomu. That's why I saw pa. Me kwa jume kiti. Wakotena jumem. Wahan. Watete painti. Upon wakotena fie. You are not able to even stand on your legs and do a minute of exercise. What way? Won't me nkonko to jeni emompaye and suma rade and share rade and so also bon so many from the moon. Whether the devil will have a day with you or not, it depends on your relationship with him. And if God is going to direct your path, it depends on your relationship with him. So abonsam befa nomum na bone aye wo krama ejina nketahudi a woni abonsam die. E na se trene ani yedie bedware wo a nketahudi a woni yakopon die e na be kire. Abrabo anyi obi na bu obra ma wo. Your life is a story that is meant for you to write. If you want changes, it's possible. If you want improvement, it's possible. What I say, what I catch on say, if you need that way, I can change the way I think about my life. Catch it on. I will change the way I think about my marriage. I will change the way I think about my health. Mes sakra kwa me faso edwene ma brabo ho ma wale ne music asem ene ma pomodne ho. Mes sa nyoma me gidie fa abrabo ho, and I will change my emotions and I will change my attitude and habits. I want to say, Obi a waye ade a me ye me producer bi te baabi wo hu no me na hu me obeye program say ni yenko ne sei yemfa ne sei me tie me producer no a na me kasa me tie camera bi jamani mu a etwa me se camera na chia camera no a mani ba chia enti ye wo nneoma bi a hyehye wo mabra bo mu a ema me ye dwumadi a me die enti wabra bo so no hia se obehye nneoma bi. You need to arrange thoughts. You need to arrange beliefs. You need to arrange emotions and arrange your attitude and habits so that you can arrange your life. You have to let go certain things. Nebu ha say o jam odofo nebu ha eden so jam kakra. Ensanoma eden jam kakra. Ye wo suban bu ha na da make say edi wunya. Ye wo adwene bu ha wo dwene. Hey, and your friend the blame game. Edi wunya ye wo nebu ha ukuramu. Din ya ehyewo na wontimi nyina mu jamu ene won neme bi ho a esese wotimi ye ya wo so obeye ese wo sha ase ye ebia wo kira me ba me kira o sha na me ye ni so na de da me kan se wo twere book obrabo wo ne ye wo kasa e twere book so wo kasa wi a what will be the title of your speech so wo da suban bi adia what will be the title of your suban dwamani akwada bone pani a wasai ene jimini so woda subadia na okasa ye betime bu compound say wonyansane bi akasa obi na brabo dimu ama obu odware o. What do you leave behind you whenever you act? Whatever you leave becomes your life story. What do you leave behind you when you talk with others? When in crofo kasa eden na woja wo adwen pronso eno nkyere se wasai na wonim nya woyo enti ne dey sinkete na sua nyansa akwan na sua subampa na sua kasapa ene ye papa no abrabo enyansam papa e won krofo asum ene krofo abrabom. You can always improve on your life. Enya tareshe ho obi a wa hye coat tare obi na no na ebon mo obi o te car kase mu pa ne ye apra atete apansam enya car wo tim woni fi a wo fi mu e suban wo ja na nipa eni so ena kire abrabo nsunsun so o kasa wie uda suban dia wia e de na wugya wo nipa akoma so. Very important. So wo kasa wie na wo ya de wia, what do you leave on the sand of life? How do you impact those close to you? Negative, productive, or unproductive? Abusuya we hu hia papa hwe abrabo mu na twere nkratapa ena mo ne ye na osuban na okasa so hwe wo ne yem wono ohokani ne ye wono ma asetena wono oni adwuma wasetena woni empo woni a wosom woni wasetena hwe wo ne ye yie na hwe okasa yie na se de tie bia okasa na ne ye ebe kire abrabo nsunsunso oni ba bia wokọ onyame nhira aje so say amen. Onyame nka ho na won kenya subapa na won kenya kasapa na won kenya ne yepa a trene no kure no odo ene adwempa adware no ana meja wo ma me ni kan enna me producers da chehene na me na Thomas camera fo nyina ase na me na Frank any sound of wase na me na MCR lighting na floor manager ase wa wo hwe me nso no enhira nkan wo no nyame entina.